What happens if you force a sneeze to stop? You pinch your nose and clamp your mouth shut. The sneeze has nowhere to go. Pressure slams back into your head and your ears ring instantly. Your sinuses tighten like a sealed chamber. A sharp pain spreads behind your eyes, and your brain flashes one clear warning: something is wrong. The trapped air pushes harder inside your skull. Your ears pop violently, your vision blurs, and panic spikes as the pressure keeps climbing. Tiny blood vessels strain under the sudden force. A stabbing pain shoots through your throat and ears while your body struggles to release the pressure. Your head feels like it might split open. The pressure peaks inside the sealed spaces of your skull, and for a brief moment, your body hits a dangerous point of no release.